understand electrostatic potential. This is charge. Let us consider it is a source charge. For understanding purpose, be careful. And around it what? Field. Due to the field, there is a force. We have to understand once again Coulomb's law for the force, electric field, and now we are little bit further to understand the potential. Say, around it, electric field is there at a particular distance up to. There is a field. As you go away and away, away and away, away and away from the charge, the field also go on decreasing. When you go at the end point, then there may not be field of this charge. If a charge can be brought from infinity to a particular point in the field of a source charge, what we do? A work is done. Work is done. The charge cannot come as easy as possible because there is a field. It opposes. There is a force. It also opposes to free motion of that charge. But my aim is that I bring that charge at a particular point. What I have to do? I have to pick that charge and try to bring it at this point. What I am doing? I am picking. I am picking. And I am bringing. What this means? Work. Bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to a particular point. Work is done against the field. That work is nothing but what? Potential. Followed? ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಸುತ್ತ ಅದರ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೆ ತರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಗೆ ತರುವಾಗ ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟದಲ್ಲಿ ತಂದಿಟ್ಟಿವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಓಕೆನಾ? Yes, I am bringing a charge. This is my infinity level. I am bringing a unit positive charge in this side. Suppose this is my P point, this is my A point. Okay? At A, I place a charge which has a field, and this is the smallest charge. That is a test charge we consider. Bringing this charge towards this field, a pointing. When I bring this charge from this point to this point, then whatever the work done, that is nothing but the potential. We define potential. You take potential definition. Work done by external force, bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to a point, is equal to electrostatic potential at that point. in a mathematical way, how we can write? Yes, the electrostatic potential is equal to work done. Simple next is definition: work done divided by charge moved. Charge moved. Okay, is this definition resembles that?
Yes, sir.
Bringing a unit positive charge moved. Bringing a unit positive charge by external force from infinity to a particular point is called as electrostatic potential. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ದೂರದಿಂದ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೆ ತರುವಾಗ ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಸ್ಟಾಟಿಕ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್. ಓಕೆ, this equal to W by Q. Therefore V equal to W by Q. Correct? V equal to W by Q. Can we write the SI unit of this? What is the SI unit of work? Joule. Very good. And Coulomb is used Coulomb per. Very good. This is the how we can find out the SI unit of a given physical quantity. Or it is also measured in volt. V, both units are. Okay? Potential is measured in volt. How we can find out the dimensional formula? Yes, very simple. It is also. Let me find out. Yes, W is equal to F3. Yes, goes into C. How we are recalling whatever we studied in last year. Divided by Q. Yes, F means work. Work already you know. What is M L T to the power of -2. Is it correct? Next, D, distance. What distance? Yes, very good. And Q equal to 80. Yes, you are perfect. Now, rearranging L 2 times. Therefore, M L 2. This comes upside. A to the power of -3 and A to the power of. Yes, you are perfect. This question is for your need. Simply. Okay? Followed all of you? Have you any doubt to understand? Now, definition of the potential, SI unit of the potential, expression for the potential. Here, this is the general expression. And dimensional formula of the potential. 4 questions may be asked in your examination. I think all of you done 4 questions. Let us define, that is a one word. Here, there may be a definition for one word. What do you mean by one word? One word. How you can define it? One word equal to by this. Very simple. By this. 1 joule of work done, bringing a 1 coulomb of charge from infinity to that point is nothing but 1 volt potential. We may say 1 volt potential is that potential. 1 joule of work is done by bringing a 1 coulomb of charge at that point. Volt is equal to 1 joule of work done bringing 1 coulomb of charge from infinity to a particular point. Right. 1 volt is a potential. 1 volt is a potential defined as 1 joule of work done. 1 joule of work done while bringing 1 coulomb of charge, 1 coulomb of charge from infinity to a point. Potential difference. Potential difference. It is the potential between 2 points. Potential between 2 points. What is the potential difference? While bringing a positive charge, first at one point, there you get the one potential, and you bring that charge in at the another point, then you get another potential. And you may find out the difference, the initial potential and the final potential, and that potential is nothing but potential difference. Because suppose this is on the line from infinity, I am bringing a unit positive charge. First I bring this charge at point A. Next I bring this charge at B. Okay? And whatever the potential found here, that is the potential at A is called as VA. And potential at B we may found VB. Therefore, the potential between these 2 points is potential difference. Therefore, I may write potential difference delta V is equal to VA minus VB or VB minus VA. Yes, tell me. Our charge is here. Then VB minus VA or VA minus VB. If VA minus VB, then how? If VB minus VA, then how? Why? Yes, tell me. Now we are coming from infinity. Yes, we are coming from infinity. First, which point we are getting? A. And here we are getting potential A. Okay. And further we move. At point B, we are getting another potential. That potential is VB. And now you look at to find out this from the source charge. Which point is nearer to Q here? B. Is here potential more or here potential more? At B or at B? At A? At B. Because it is a very near to the source. Therefore field is more here. Therefore opposition is here more. Therefore potential is also more. Because more work to be done at this point than this. Therefore we can find out the potential difference like VB minus VA. VB minus VA. Understand? Suppose if you want to find out potential difference between infinity point to B or infinity point to A, how we can write? Then delta V is equal to yes VA minus